In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default profile language on LinkedIn. If you want LinkedIn to display in a different language, the good news is that this only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can update it without any confusion. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. Make sure you're signed into your account and looking at the main LinkedIn interface. Starting from your profile area makes it easier to access the account settings you need. Once you're there, look at the top bar of options and click on the Me dropdown. This is the menu that gives you access to account-related options, including your profile, settings, and other personal preferences. If you don't immediately see it, check the top right area of the LinkedIn navigation bar. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This section is where LinkedIn keeps most of your account controls, including visibility, sign-in options, and language preferences. It may open in a new page, so give it a second to load fully before moving on. Inside Settings and Privacy, find the General Preferences area and click on Language. This is the setting that controls the default language used for your LinkedIn experience. If you're browsing through several options, just take your time and look for the language setting specifically under the General Preferences section. Next, click on the language selector. This will open the available language choices for your accounts. Depending on your device or browser, it may appear as a drop-down list or a selection menu. Either way, this is where you choose the language you want LinkedIn to use moving forward. Now click on your new language. Be sure to select the correct one, especially if there are multiple regional variations available. Choosing the right version can help make sure the interface feels familiar and accurate for your needs. As soon as you select the new language, LinkedIn will automatically update. In most cases, you won't need to click a separate save button. The platform should refresh the interface and begin showing menus and settings in the language you selected. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give the page a quick refresh or wait a few seconds for the update to apply. And that's it. Your default profile language on LinkedIn has been changed. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your LinkedIn experience feels, especially if you prefer navigating the platform in your native or preferred language.